Hello and welcome to the Sprint 4 video demo for Profectus. Our completed goals for this sprint included immediate account validation and login, the ability to edit existing houses and their contained criteria, the creation and storage of a criteria template for use in a sorting system, and the ability to search the user's house list. Let's take a look at the way these features have been implemented in this application. The app now features login permanence, as the system will remember and recognize the user between sessions, allowing for a smoother transition. For the purposes of this demo, we are using a testing account, which is recognized by our testing machine, and as a result, immediately logs us into the system. Let's have a look at our now editable house objects. In the previous sprint, we enabled the storing of unique identifiers called criteria that were attached to each house object. This sprint, these items were made editable and permanent, allowing us to not only remove them, but also to change the status of these items. For example, if we were to make a criterion called back porch under our amenities list, the item would remain permanent between uses of the house object. An important feature for the next sprint's goals is the new marker found on each criterion. This toggled control allows users to mark the criteria most important to them. This will be used by next sprint's automatic ranking system to sort houses by the best match to their user template. This brings us to the template itself. Dubbed the Dream House, this template stores the criteria that the user deems requisite to each house object for the purposes of comparison. Sprint 4's most ambitious and crucial feature, this will be implemented fully into the Sprint 5 sorting system to display the user's houses in order from best to worst match automatically. The best match being that which most closely resembles the criterion and importance markers in the Dream House template. This will allow the user to efficiently peruse a large number of houses in order to find the best match for their own preferences and standards automatically. The next sprint feature included making houses searchable. In the interests of ease of use, the search bar included can be used to quickly sort through the existing houses based on a dynamic search string. Because this feature searches information that has already been moved to local temporary memory, the search feature can quickly scan large amounts of data without bogging down the server with requests. Changes made to these searchable items are permanent and are sent directly to the server, including information editing and deletions. Due to the loss of a week's time during this sprint, the Profectus team decided to move the automatic sorting algorithm and the use of locally stored images to the Sprint 5 backlog. The Profectus team would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this recap of our Sprint 4 work, and we invite you to continue to follow the progress of our project at the link provided on screen.